Hello, dear audience. Welcome to the channel where we share knowledge about the cryptocurrency market, financial investment, and blockchain technology. In today's video, we'll explore a very important topic that many investors are interested in, which is key indicators showing when altcoins are stronger than Bitcoin. As you may already know, the cryptocurrency market is generally divided into two main groups, Bitcoin and altcoins. Bitcoin is the first and largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Meanwhile, altcoins include all other coins apart from Bitcoin, such as Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Avalanche, BNB, and many others. There are times in the market when Bitcoin holds a dominant position, but there are also periods when altcoins outperform significantly, growing much faster than Bitcoin. Identifying these periods when altcoins are gaining strength is extremely important, as it helps investors allocate their assets wisely, ride the growth trend, and reduce risks when the market shifts. So, how can we tell when altcoins start gaining momentum? What are the indicators that signal this trend? Let's now dive deep into the key indicators commonly used by technical analysts and professional investors to assess the shift of capital flow from Bitcoin to altcoins. 1. Bitcoin dominance, BTC/D. The first and perhaps most important indicator is Bitcoin dominance, denoted as BTC/D. This metric shows the percentage of Bitcoin's market cap compared to the total cryptocurrency market capitalization. For example, if the total market cap is 1 trillion USD, and Bitcoin's market cap is 500 billion, then BTC dominance is 50%. When this number rises, it indicates that more capital is flowing into Bitcoin than into altcoins. On the other hand, when BTC/D drops, especially sharply, it clearly signals that capital is shifting into altcoins. BTC dominance tends to drop significantly during so-called alt seasons, when a wide range of altcoins rally simultaneously, sometimes gaining tens or even hundreds of percent in a short time. Thus, simply keeping an eye on BTC dominance regularly gives you a very useful first indicator of when altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin. 2. Total altcoin market cap. Total 2. The second important metric is Total 2, or the total market capitalization of altcoins. This is a measure that excludes Bitcoin's market cap, focusing only on altcoins. When Total 2 rises steadily, especially at a faster rate than BTC or Total, the overall crypto market cap, that's a clear sign that altcoins are attracting more attention and investment. Many investors also use the ratio Total 2 Total to assess the dominance of altcoins compared to the entire market. When this ratio rises, it shows that altcoins are gaining more market share and strength relative to Bitcoin. 3. ETH/BTC ratio. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, is often considered a representative of the altcoin market. Therefore, the ETH/BTC chart, which compares Ethereum's value to Bitcoin's, is a highly important indicator. When ETH/BTC rises, it means Ethereum is increasing in value faster than Bitcoin, or Bitcoin is moving sideways while ETH rallies. This shows that altcoins, with Ethereum as the leader, are gaining momentum. Especially when ETH/BTC breaks through long-term resistance zones, it could signal the beginning of a major alt season, where many altcoins follow Ethereum's lead and rally strongly. Conversely, if ETH/BTC drops significantly, it shows that Bitcoin is regaining dominance, and altcoins may be due for a correction. 4. RSI comparison of altcoins versus Bitcoin. RSI, or Relative Strength Index, is a widely used technical analysis tool to gauge whether an asset is overbought or oversold. When comparing the RSI of altcoins to Bitcoin's RSI, we can see the difference in price strength. If an altcoin's RSI is above the 50 level and holding strong, While Bitcoin's RSI is below neutral, it shows that the altcoin has stronger bullish momentum. Additionally, when altcoins show positive RSI divergence, meaning price is declining but RSI is rising, while Bitcoin does not show similar behavior, it's a sign that money is quietly flowing into altcoins. 5. Altcoin versus Bitcoin performance ratio. Another way to compare the strength of altcoins versus Bitcoin is by assessing the performance ratio over a specific time frame. If, over the past 7 days, Bitcoin is up 5%, but many altcoins are up 15% to 50%, that clearly shows altcoins are leading the market. You can use tools like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap to filter for the top-performing coins, then compare the overall performance of altcoins versus Bitcoin during the same time frame. If altcoins outperform for most of the time, that's a strong indication of altcoin dominance. 6. Trading volume and open interest in altcoin markets. Another important indicator of market capital flow is trading volume and open interest, especially in the futures market. When trading volume in altcoins spikes, especially surpassing Bitcoin's volume during certain periods, that's a clear sign that investors are putting money into altcoins. Similarly, rising open interest on futures exchanges like Binance, Bybit, or OKX for altcoin pairs shows growing speculative interest and bullish expectations. Keep in mind that futures market flow can be volatile and reverse quickly, so it's best to combine this indicator with others for a more complete picture. 7. Altcoin Season Index. A very intuitive and easy-to-use tool is the Altcoin Season Index, provided by BlockchainCenter.net. This index is based on the performance of the top 50 altcoins compared to Bitcoin over the past 90 days. If more than 75% of them have outperformed Bitcoin, the index will cross above 75, indicating that we're in an altcoin season. Conversely, if the index falls below 25, it means Bitcoin is in control, and altcoins are lagging behind. The Altcoin Season Index is a great aggregated tool that helps investors quickly gauge the broader altcoin market condition. Summary. In today's presentation, we've explored 7 crucial indicators that help you identify when altcoins are stronger than Bitcoin. Specifically, these include BTC dominance. Falling dominance signals altcoin strength. Total 2 and Total 2 total. Measure altcoin market capitalization. ETH BTC ratio. Ethereum as a proxy for altcoin strength. RSI comparison, showing short-term price momentum. Altcoin performance ratios, gauging real-world gains. Volume and open interest, tracking speculative capital flow. Altcoin Season Index, a powerful summary indicator. Understanding these indicators will help you gain a more objective, data-driven view of market capital flows, enabling smarter investment decisions and avoiding emotional reactions like FOMO or panic. Thank you for listening to today's presentation. If you found this content helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel to support us in creating more high-quality videos in the future. Wishing you effective investing, peace of mind, and happiness. See you in the next video.